everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to do a day in the life. I've been trying to do these, but they don't ever turn out very good. So hopefully I can get a video out of this and you guys can come along with me as I do a whole bunch of stuff. So of course, this is 2 days because I could not pick up the camera, or the clips that I had were so short that it only was like a minute and a half of my entire day. I promise I'll try to get better at vlogging, it's just I don't think about it. So the first half of this video is just kind of a very chill, relaxed day. Caught up on some Outlander, hung out with my pup. And then we went to get some tacos at my favorite local taco place. Actually, I think I ended up with enchiladas and they were delicious. And then we decided to go to the movies, and it had just started sprinkling snow. We weren't supposed to get any snow, and we went to go see Wreck-It Ralph 2 Breaks the Internet, and it was super cute, and I really enjoyed it. And when we came outside, it was magical. No, went to the movies and came out, and it was snowing. The next day, we received our new refrigerator that we bought on Black Friday, and I am in love and can't wait to have all the awesome features it has. It has an ice maker and water in the door. I am so excited. So the rest of this is just me moving over all my food from my old fridge to my new fridge. So I just literally chucked everything into the refrigerator, and I didn't even try to organize it because I feel like I want to live with the refrigerator for a little while and see how I'm going to use it, and I can remove a couple shelves or just rearrange it and figure out how I want to use it. But if you guys have any tips, I am all ears. This is just where I sort of shoved everything for right now. I want to kind of live with it for a little bit and figure out, you know, where I need to adjust the shelves or like where I need to put things so I can become more efficient. If you guys have any suggestions on how I should rearrange this, I would greatly appreciate it because it looks like a hot mess right now.